Sophia again. So I'm cooking my new recipe and my sweet onions. It's chicken fillet and egg again. And I'm gonna put this on. So first put the egg. I'm gonna lower down the fire. I turn it off. And I'm gonna put the egg in. I should put an egg here, guys.
Ano, gipawag manimo lang.
Where? Is it? Time.
It's time to flip.
I don't like it. It's not still flipping. Wait. I'm already cooking my egg and it is done.
What will you do next?
I'm gonna cook the chicken fillet.
Okay, good job lang. Ay, butang isa na, put some oil on it.
No more. I'm just gonna wait and the oil is hot. And this one is my favorite. Thank you, Ate Jane, for this. Because I'm so hungry now. Is this hot now?
Not yet.
I have to wait. Is it hot? Is it hot now?
No, just look for the frying pan.
It has too many bubbles.
Wala pa. Dili pa na siya. Be, og ning hot na ba siya? Wala pa na lang. Yeah, let's try.
It's time to put this on.
Ayaw kusga og butang. Hinaya ra.
Give me like that. Like that. I'm gonna put this in the food tong, guys.
Careful ha.
I like a chef. Yeah. Yay! I did it. I like it. There we go. Africa.
Butang isa na og daghan kay sayang kayo ag kanang oil.
Okay.
Hinay.
I'm practicing, guys, to be a chef. So I want to be a chef someday. So I want to be a chef.
That's
I'm
why
a little chef kid.
that's why I love cooking.
That's why I love cooking.
A little chef.
A little chef is cooking. You want to taste? But it's so hot. You will not eat it by your own. As your parents, you have to hold up them because they're so hot.
So kids, if you want to cook, just accompany it by your parents because it's dangerous.
Yes.
Okay.
Only big kids, it will gonna make some food. When you are 4, you will not do it like that. If you're 6, you can do it. Because I'm already 6. Ask your parents to cook by themselves. Because that's so dangerous. You cannot do it by yourself. Because you have burns in your whole body. Only me. I'm not a cook. Look at this, guys.
Kusgi gamay. Ug siga.
Oh my God, it's still working.
Good.
Look at, guys.
Oh.
It worked.
Yes. Hapit nagig ka kamao lang.
Yes, I know. Because I'm a good chef. Hi, Mom Jane. Hi, Mommy T. Thank you for this because I'm so hungry all the time. When I was a baby, I didn't eat food because I don't have a teeth. That's why. Look at this, guys.
Unsa man na?
Teeth in my mouth. God bless Mommy Jane. God bless you too and Mommy T. All my subscribers. Thank you. No more bashing. Happy lang. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe, guys.
Please subscribe, guys.